Ready?
Go for it. Action.
Hey guys, Sean Rizzo here at Kraken Motorsports. I am here with the Rataroo, or what is left of it, I guess I should say. We had a very productive weekend this past weekend, so let me give you a quick walkthrough and show you what we've been working on. Are you painting all this? Everything. Oh yeah, you need all this out of here. Oh yeah. Yeah. So first and foremost, we're doing a full shave on the engine bay. So we got all the holes shaved up. It's pretty rough right now because we're still doing finishing sanding. We've got some more body work to do. We're gonna make it all smooth and pretty, and then paint the engine bay, get ready for the motor to get dropped into it with that sick ass nitrous setup that we showed you a couple of weeks ago. So we're super excited about that. Thank you to Nitrous Outlet for that nitrous kit. We also, this car was in a little bit of rough shape when we got it. We thought it was a little cleaner car than it was, but that's all right. So we stripped the whole underside of the car and did an entirely new undercoating on this thing so that we're starting from scratch with a brand new car. We fixed some rust spots. We put in a little bit of new sheet metal here and there. The underside of the car is nice and it is ready to go. This durable Rhino lining that we put on it will make cleaning the car really easy, given that this thing's going to be abused. We also Rhino lined the fuel tank, and then the suspension components are all going to be powder coated. We're going to do some cool colors. David over at Texas Powder Pros has some really cool things in mind for this car. So again, thank you, David, over at Texas Powder Pros. You guys need any powder coating, you come and see us, we'll get you in touch with him. So the car's coming along really well. We should see a lot of progress with it in the next 4 to 6 weeks, and we will keep you posted on it every step of the way. I want to send out a huge thank you to Spencer and Savannah Stroud for coming out and helping with the car all 3 days. I want to send a huge thank you to John Cajolin, who also came out and helped us. I want to send a huge thank you out to Trey, who is the man behind the camera right now, for being here with us all day Saturday or Sunday, and taking some video and capturing things. He even got his hands dirty helping us with the car a little bit. And last but not least, I want to send a huge thanks to my wife Alicia. She has been elbows deep in this car with me, and I think it's awesome that we finally get to really build a project together. So Kraken Motorsports, Rataroo, progress being made.
It's happening.
It's happening. We'll keep you posted, guys. Thanks. Peace. good. He's good. Good.
If you ever do that kind of stuff, you want to get a self-etching primer. Right. Because it, etch bond.
The primer I could probably do out of the can.
I watch your back, you watch mine.
Oh, listen.